Well, howdy there, Internet people. It's Bo again. So, today we're going to talk about some new research out of Brigham and Women's Hospital and how it highlights differing health outcomes based on political affiliation. So, the study analyzed information from 2001 to 2019. It stopped before, our giant public health issue that was very partisan. Right? It analyzed 3,000 U.S. counties in all 50 states. And it did, in fact, discover what they're calling a mortality gap. During this period, if you lived in a county that voted for the Democratic Party, okay, your mortality rate dropped by 22%. If you lived in a county that voted for the Republican Party, it dropped by 11%. That's statistically significant. So in the beginning, in Democratic counties, it was 850 per 100,000. By the end, it had dropped to 664. For Republican counties, it started at 867, and it ended at 771. This is a pretty marked difference. It is a big difference. There's no other way to say that. What the researchers found is that there was definitely an increase in the widening of this gap around 2010. When the Affordable Care Act, when that started, because states that were Democratic, they expanded Medicaid. So they offered health insurance to low-income people. Republican states didn't really do that. And that was a big source of it. Now, all of this is pre-public health issue, right? So the vaccination, mask wearing, social distancing, all of that stuff, that doesn't even factor into this yet. That's not included in this. This is just normal policy and life choices. Generally speaking, the people who make up the Democratic Party, they tend to be more responsive to news about, health. So they tend to lead healthier lives. They have more access to insurance. These are things that have been politicized, but they really shouldn't be. There shouldn't be a partisan divide here, not one this significant. Now, during our public health issue, it's worth noting that Republican counties had 73 more deaths from COVID per 100,000 people. So, when this study is duplicated, there will be another giant shift. The gap will widen even more just based on that. The Republican talking points, the Republican policies, the fake masculinity, being a tough guy, all of that stuff, it's literally killing you. You are dying faster because of it. This is a lot of data. This is almost 20 years of data, a very wide set, and it's incredibly consistent information. Democratic Party policies and that lifestyle, those choices, makes you live longer. Might be something that is worth bringing up the next time you're around people who like to bask in, just ignoring health advice. Anyway, It's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.